Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step guide on how to remove a Gmail or Google account from your computer or laptop in 2025. If you've ever shared a device or want to tidy up your accounts, this tutorial is exactly what you need. Stick around till the end because I'll also share tips to make sure your account is completely disconnected. First, let's sign out of your Google account. Open your web browser and go to the Google homepage. In the top right corner, you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and then select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. This ensures your account is no longer actively signed in. Next, we move on to Account Management. After signing out, if prompted, click Continue to go to the Account Chooser page. Here you'll see all accounts associated with the device. Click Remove an Account. A small remove icon will appear next to each account. Simply click the remove icon next to the account you want to dissociate. Once that's done, it's important to finalize the profile removal. Go back to the top right corner and click your profile icon again, then select Manage Chrome Profiles. Here, make sure the account is removed from the startup window settings. This step prevents the account from automatically logging in the next time you open your browser. So, in short, the process involves 3 simple steps. Sign out of your Google account. Use the Remove an Account feature on the Account Chooser page. Manage Chrome Profiles to fully detach the account from your device. Following these steps keeps your online presence streamlined and ensures that unnecessary accounts are fully removed from your computer or laptop. And that's it. Removing a Gmail or Google account is quick, simple, and keeps your device organized. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.